Our verse for today is in Mark chapter 14, verses 1 to 9. Now the Passover and the festival of unleavened bread were only 2 days away. And the chief priests and the teacher of the law were scheming to arrest Jesus secretly and kill him. But not during the festival, they said, or the people may riot. While he was in Bethany, reclining at the table in the home of Simon the leper, a woman came with an alabaster jar of very expensive perfume. Made of pure nard, she broke the jar and poured the perfume on his head. Some of those present were saying indignantly to one another, "Why this waste of perfume? It could have been sold for more than a year's wage and the money given to the poor." And they rebuked her harshly. "Leave her alone," said Jesus. "Why are you bothering her? She has done a beautiful thing to me. The poor you will always have with you, and you can help them anytime you want. But you will not always have me. She did what she could. She poured perfume on my body beforehand to prepare for my burial. Truly I tell you, wherever the gospel is preached throughout the world, what she has done will also be told in memory of her." That's our verse for today. What did you get, kids?
Kung ano daw po ginagawa natin sa earth, marireflect daw po natin pag namatay tayo. O parang pag punta tayo sa heaven.
Ikaw naman, Charles.
Ako naman,
Ano yan?
you can, alam mo yung pinaka-ingat-ingatan mo or natitira mong Oo.
Pinaka-worthy na.
Worth na, may offer mo kay Lord is ibigay mo. Kasi, yun nga, siya ang provider natin, di ba? So, yun. Walang makakatumbos ng ng bagay na ibibigay pa niya sa atin.
Ako, our DBS today gives us an example of a personal devotion and worship to the Lord. Kasi nakita nyo, ang pangalan pala ng taong yun is Mary. Yung sa kanya ng pabango. So si Mary, what she has na sa tingin niya is pinakamamahalin at pinaka-worthy to offer to Jesus is yung pabangong yun. And napakaganda lang ng ginawa niya kasi right now it gives us an example na dapat ganun din tayo, 'di ba? Hindi lang yung basta okay na yun kasi lagi naman ako nagsisimba. Okay na to kasi lagi naman kaming nagdi-DBS. Okay na yun kasi araw-araw naman ako nagdi-devotion. 'Di ba? Hindi pwedeng laging sapat na. Dapat tayo, if we really want to worship Jesus, if we really want to give our best to the Lord, then give your best. Kasi Jesus is worth of every penny, with every time, with every effort, with all the energy and strength na ibibigay natin sa Kanya. And even yung, kunwari, finances ang meron ka, diba? Lahat, Jesus is worthy of our praise, our worship, and our devotion. Diba? And nakita ni Mary kung gaano worthy si Jesus. Sana ganun din tayo. Na huwag tayong magdalawang isip. Ibigay yung nararapat para sa Panginoon. Ano pa ba? And alam niyo yun, sa totoo lang tinatapatan ng Panginoon kung ano man yung binibigay natin eh. Sinusobrahan pa nga niya sa totoo lang. Nakita niyo yung, alam niyo ba kung magkano yung pabango? Magkano yung sinabi doon?
A year of wages. And then,
More than a year of wage. Ganon kamahal yung pabangong yun. Kasi pure nard siya. Di ba sabi? And ano yung naging kapalit? Anong pinalit ni Jesus doon? She glorified Jesus by giving yung pinaka expensive, pinaka mamahalin or pinakamahal na meron siya. Anong ginawa ni Jesus sa kanya? She glorified the lady as well. She glorified Mary as well. Paano glorify ni Jesus si Mary? Kasi until now, nababanggit siya sa Bible. So, ibig sabihin, kung i-glorify mo si Jesus, you made a remarkable devotion and you will be remembered by everyone. Ganun ka i-glorify ng Panginoon. Hindi yung glorify ni Mary si Jesus is nakalimutan siya ng tao. Hindi, sinabi 'di ba? Dahil sa ginawa niya, anong sinabi sa dulo?
she will be remember.
Sinabi dito na dahil sa ginawa niya, nasa dulong-dulo niya, wait lang. No. Truly I tell you, wherever the gospel is preached throughout the world, what she has done will also be told in memory of her. 'Di ba? Napakaganda ng ginawa niya kay Jesus. At tinapatan at nilampasan pa yun ni Jesus kasi hanggang ngayon kilala natin si Mary na napakaganda ng ginawa kay Jesus. 'Di ba? Sa tingin mo ba kung hindi i-preach ni Jesus to, hindi sinabi ni Jesus yun at that time na ipipreach yung kwentong to sa bawat generation sa buong mundo, 'di ba? Maaalala pa kaya natin si Mary?
No.
'Di ba hindi? And those people na naging parte ng buhay ni Jesus, like yung mga disciples niya, 'di ba? They're being glorified with what they did as well because they are part of the story. And si Mary, napaka-special niya. Kasi hindi naman lahat na nag-offer kay Jesus na ikwento eh. Hindi natin sure, 'di ba? Pero 100% na ikwento si Mary. Kasi nakita ni Jesus yung puso niya. Nakita ni Mary yung worth ni Jesus na hindi nakikita ng ibang tao. Katulad niyan, si Daddy, bukod sa napakaraming nakapaligid sa akin, si Daddy ang pinaka nakakakita ng worth ko. And ganun din naman ako kay Daddy. 'Di ba? Napakasarap kapag meron taong alam mong na-appreciate ka at nakikita yung worth mo. And yun yung nangyari sa panahong yun. Kaya sobrang saya ni Jesus. And alam mo yun, hindi nagdalawang isip si Mary kasi Jesus is worthy of every penny ng pabangong yun. Diba? So, that's our best today.